Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode for an hour on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch display, and to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode for an hour, you can swipe up from the home page. This is the easiest version, and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, if you tap on again on the Do Not Disturb mode, here you will see a few options. You can either turn on the Do Not Disturb mode for permanently, or you can turn it on for an hour, or you have either different choices: turn it on until this evening or until I leave. You can also do the same thing in the menu. If you go to your settings menu, and in the settings go to focus and go to Do Not Disturb mode, here you will find the same options, and you can do that from here as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.